Hello guys and welcome back to Wave of Wealth. Today we're going to talk about how to get verified on Wise. Super easy, couple of easy steps, so let's get started. Listen to me carefully guys. Right here you can check it out, Guide to Getting Verified. We can skip that part and see how these verifications work. So usually in Wise, you can see they verify your identity with some photo, ID of course, proof of the address, and or a picture of you holding your ID. When and how we verify you depends on a few things. The amount you send. So when you send larger amounts, we might need to see additional documents that show how you got the money. When you send smaller amounts, we'll usually verify your identity. The currency you send. Some countries require proof of identity to send any amount. Some currencies require further identification. For example, sending US dollars requires an online banking login. Some countries and currencies require more information about how you earn your money and how you plan to use Wise. If we need this, we'll ask you when you set up your transfer, how many transfers you made. While we might only verify your identity at first, we might need to verify your address later on. And you can see more information out here guys, but you can see that we can only do this for some currencies, and if you send below 15,000 euros, we can't do this for business accounts either. What types of documents does Wise accept? So a valid ID can be passport, photo page only, national ID. We only accept the most recent version of the Nigerian national ID card, photo, driving license. There are some expectations right here. A valid proof of address document can be utility bills, gas, electric, or landline phone, a bank or credit card statement, photo/scan of a physical letter or PDF of a statement, a council tax bill or HMRC notification, vehicle registration or tax, photo, driving license showing your address and expiry date, any other government or financial situation issued document. What if my document is not issued by my country of residence? So right here what we need to do guys, if the document used to verify your identity isn't issued by the country you live in, we may need to prove that you are allowed to live there. When we verify the country you live in, we ask you to provide an additional identification document, ID, issued by the government of that country, and this is different from a proof of address. We can only accept documents issued by a government institution proving your right to live in the country. How does a live ID plus self-verification work? Find out more about self-verification guys. What you need to do is basically hold the card, your ID, and that's it. Get a picture of yourself and you're good to go. How long does verification take? And right here we can see if we ask to verify you while setting up a transfer, we'll start reviewing your documents once we have received the money for transfer. From there, we'll work to get it done within one work day. When successfully verified, we'll automatically resume your transfer and let you know by email. So confirming your identity with a photo of your ID and a selfie. As I said guys, there is a certain things that you need to follow, but essentially it's this. Take the photos in a room with enough light. Select the highest quality setting on your device. Have your ID on hand. Follow the instructions on screen. Make sure your whole document is in the frame as well as your face. Nothing can be censored. Of course, right here you can see some more questions if you have a smartphone and so on. But guys, it's super easy. If you have any other question, just feel free to write down in the comment section and I'll try to answer to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Until the next time, goodbye.